Hey everyone, it's Tara from Ideaship. With the Paris Olympics in full swing, there is an incredible surge in the excitement for sports and fitness. People all over the world are getting inspired by the athletes and their amazing performances. But there's another trend that's heating up: sports betting. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to our latest sports betting prototype, OneBet. I'll be walking you through how we can create a custom app like this just for you, tailored for your specific needs and preferences. First off, let's dive into some exciting stats. The sports betting app market is set to hit a jaw-dropping USD 65.14 billion by 2029, with an impressive annual growth rate of 7.47% from 2024 to 2029. This booming market is a gold mine for innovative solutions like OneBet. But why invest in a sports betting app? What's in it for you? Let's break down why it's such a hot investment. First off, there's a massive audience for sports betting. Millions of Americans are passionate about sports and love to wager on their favorite teams. Building a user base is relatively easy when you tap into this enthusiasm. Second, sports betting apps are money makers. They generate income primarily through vigorous or commission on each placed bet. Additionally, they can earn from advertising, partnerships with sports teams, and even selling user data with proper consent of. Third, developing a top-notch sports betting app requires skilled tech talent. This means there's a huge opportunity for startups and entrepreneurs to innovate. From advanced algorithms to seamless user experience, technology is the key to standing out in the crowded market. Last but not least, the legalization of sports betting across the US is creating a massive new industry. This means there's a first mover advantage for those who can get their apps up and running quickly. Plus, as regulations evolve, there will be ongoing opportunity to adapt and grow. So let's not waste any more time and dive into the app walkthrough. Welcome to the app. This is the sign-in screen. You can quickly log in using your email address and password. Just enter your password and tap sign in. If you have forgotten your password, simply tap on forgot password and we'll guide you through the recovery process. If you are new to the app, no worries. Tap on register now to create a new account. You can get started with a simple sign-up process. Enter your full name, email address and create a strong password. Confirm you are over 18 and create your account. This screen helps you personalize your experience. It helps us tailor the app according to your interests. Simply tap on the sport or activity you love. You can also explore exciting options like casino games, e-sports, bowling, etc. Once you've selected your favorites, tap finish to continue. This is the dashboard. This is where you can quickly access your most important information and insights. Let's take a look around. At the top of the screen, you'll see your current balance and your account summary. Here on the dashboard, you can see a list of the most popular matches. You can click on See More to see a list. When you click on Matches, you will find all the live matches ready for you to dive in. You can easily switch between all matches, ongoing games, or the hottest matches of the moment. Let's take a closer look at a match. You can see the teams facing off, the match time, and the odds of different outcomes. If you want to know more about the team players, just tap on News for the latest updates. We use real-time data and advanced algorithms to bring you the most up-to-date and accurate match informations, ensuring the users are up-to-date. Place your bet, tap Place Bet. Now simply tap on the desired odds. You'll see your potential winning displayed. If you're happy, confirm your bet. We have implemented a dynamic odds system that updates in real time based on market fluctuations, giving you the best possible experience. This screen shows a summary of your bet. Your chosen stake is $1,000 and you can optionally apply a promo code for extra benefits. If everything looks correct, tap Place Bet to confirm your wager. Let's check out the live chat feature. You can share your thoughts on the match, discuss strategies, or simply cheer on your team. If you want to join in, just tap on the chat bubble and start typing your message. Your comment will appear instantly for everyone to see. We use advanced chat filtering and moderation to ensure a positive and engaging environment for all users. This section gives you all the details you need to make informed decisions. Below that, you'll find player stats giving you insights into each player's performance. This data can be a game changer when deciding your next bet. We use real-time data feeds and advanced analytics to provide you with the most accurate and up-to-date match information. In the bonus or promo section is where you can claim your bonus. To claim this offer, simply follow the steps outlined. Log into your OneBet account, go to the top of the page, choose the cryptocurrency deposit method, and apply the coupon at the final step. We have designed a clear and user-friendly interface to make claiming your bonus as simple as possible. You can also feel the excitement of a real casino from your app. You can see the live game is As you can see, the live game is currently in progress with the countdown timer ticking down. Place your bet and decide how much you want to wager. You can select from the preset amounts or enter a custom bet. Once you have made your selection, tap the Place Bet button to join the game. Keep an eye on the latest results section to see the outcomes of the previous round. This can help users analyze trends and make more informed bets. We use advanced streamlining technology to deliver a seamless and high-quality live casino experience, bringing the authentic casino experience directly to your device. Here in the blog section, you can find all the latest news and updates about your favorite team and matches. If you want to know more about the team or player, just tap news for the latest updates and insights. You can also see the current odds for the match, which can help you make informed betting decisions. To add money to your account, tap on the top up button. You'll see several options to choose from. For the quickest and easiest way, select PayPal. It's simple and fast. If you prefer using a bank card, choose bank card option. Your funds will be available within 2 minutes. For those who prefer cryptocurrencies, select cryptocurrency. For bank cards, enter the card number, expiry date and CVV. PayPal users can simply log into their account. For cryptocurrency, you'll need your wallet address. Double check everything before confirming. Review your payment details one last time. Ensure the amount is correct and confirm your top up. You'll receive a confirmation message and a transaction ID for your records. To verify your cryptocurrency deposit, upload a clear image of your transaction bill. This helps us process your top up faster. This shows that your account has been created and the amount has been topped up. You can now enjoy placing bet. We have designed a clear and simple interface with multiple payment options to cater to different user preferences. This is the events page. You will find a variety of thrilling events and promotions here. We use a dynamic event calendar and clear countdown timers to keep you informed about upcoming opportunities. When you go to notifications, you will find all the important updates about your account. You can see 3 types of notifications: all, bets and transactions. You can easily switch between them to see what interests you the most. Tap on any notification to view more details. We use clear and concise notifications with timestamps to keep you informed about your account activity. This is your main account screen. Here you can quickly access essential information and perform key actions. You can see your current balance at a glance and quickly top it up if needed. You can also assess and manage your details, security settings and other account preferences. Next, you can easily withdraw your winnings using your preferred method. You can also manage your linked cards for seamless transactions. In the report section, you can look into your financial overview with profit and loss reports and transaction history. We have designed a clean and intuitive interface for effortless navigation and account management. This is where you can easily withdraw your winnings. First, you will see your available balance displayed at the top. Below that, you can enter the exact amount you want to withdraw. For quicker processing, we have provided some convenient presets of 10%, 25% or 50% of your balance. Once you have entered the desired amount, tap next to proceed to the next step. Here you will select your withdrawal method and confirm the transaction. Carefully review the fee associated with each option before making your choice. We clearly display the fees and conversion rates for each payment method, allowing you to make informed decisions. This is the final step before confirming your Bitcoin withdrawal. If you are certain about the address, tap I have read and understand the risks and then complete the process with the withdrawal. We have implemented clear warnings and confirmations to ensure you understand the implications of your withdrawal. And there you have it, a quick tour of our sports betting app prototype, OneBet. As you can see, we have packed it with everything users need for a seamless and exciting betting experience. From real-time odds and live updates to secure transactions and personalized features, think about the potential of a similar app perfectly tailored to your business and audience. If you are interested in creating a custom sports betting app, we'd love to help you bring the version to life. Feel free to reach out to us. Our team of experts is ready to assist you in developing a solution that fits your exact needs. Thank you for watching.